Mora here. Just wanted to show you a final result. This is what a pectoralis major repair scar looks like. I keep the incision along the creases so that way when the patient wears a tank top, they can't see the scar. But one tip that I want to give you guys, if you ever end up with a tear, you'll know you have a tear because you're doing bench press and you'll feel a pop, then you feel bruising over here. Don't mess around. Just see an orthopedic surgeon tomorrow, because if you see the surgeon fast, then what will happen is you'll get a nice small scar. You will not need an allograft, and the repair goes very smoothly. So that's my tip of the day. You feel a pop, bruising of the arm, not the chest wall, the arm, mushy chest, you have a pec tear. You're gonna need it repaired. Just see an orthopedic surgeon the next day and have surgery the next week or that same week. All right, guys, you guys take care. Thank you so much for having an interest in what I do.